Here at Parmerit, we focus on delivering high-quality products to our customers, on time. We excel in fabrication, machining, and assembly, and it is our goal to be as safe as possible. For over 30 years, we have been loading raw materials such as round stock, hollow round stock, squared stock, and plate into our lathes and mills. In order to support the load through the entire lift, we have used straps to tilt, lift, and load the material. Ensuring a safe lift takes a lot of time, and even the best rigging methods are not as safe or as efficient as we want them to be. That is why we developed the Titan lift. I would like to introduce you to the DL500, the smallest version of Parmerit's Titan lift. This device weighs less than 50 pounds and can lift up to 500 pounds. The Titan lift is capable of lifting material in a simple horizontal orientation and a tilted orientation. In the past, Parmerit has used straps or magnetic lifting devices. Due to the amount of material we process on a daily basis, it made sense to build one device that could provide a single lifting solution for either orientation. Please note that there are no straps obstructing the loading face of the material shown here. The Titan lift can quickly adapt to various shapes and sizes of steel by simply removing the pins, repositioning the magnets, and putting the pins back into place. In addition, pick points can be changed to properly center over the load by moving the lift shackles into the appropriate holes. The Titan lift is also available in half-ton and 5-ton capacities. In this side-by-side comparison, we demonstrate the advantages that the Titan lift has over lifting with straps. On the right, we used the Titan lift. On the left, we used conventional straps. Please note the extra time that is required to protect the straps from abrasion and to ensure that the load does not shift unexpectedly. Real-world testing shows that the Titan lift not only eliminates the inherent risk of lifting with straps, it also offers a 50 to 90% reduction in lift time.